Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lucore Automotive. Well, welcome back to the truck from Lucore Automotive. I have my friend Phil with me today, and we're in the truck headed south. Going to pick up a 1979 AMC AMX that I'm going to be using on the 2500 road trip coming up here soon. So, Phil and I are journeying on down 23 to 35 into rural Ohio on a beautiful day. Indeed. Not a bad day. Good day to go buy a car, I guess. So, stay tuned. This is going to be fun. So, as you saw in a previous episode, I randomly found this on Craigslist when I was looking for something completely different. Initially, when we discussed doing the 2500 road trip again, Tim and I were discussing different vehicles to drive. My idea was originally a Mustang convertible, which I used to have a Mustang convertible. Exactly. And it was probably one of the most fun vehicles I've ever owned. Rest in peace. Yes, rest in peace. It was a great car. It unfortunately got stolen and destroyed, but whatever. Great memories, lots of fun. So that's what I was originally looking for. So I was literally searching for, well, I'll show you. So I was searching for, on Craigslist, a Mustang convertible, and I couldn't find anything exactly what I was looking for. So I deleted the convertible part and looked under just Mustang, and lo and behold, this thing came up. And I didn't really know what it was, to be honest with you. It wasn't on my radar as something I wanted to buy at all, and it just kind of clicked and made sense. Rich is also kind of an AMC nut because he's a Jeep guy, so he knows a bit more about these than I do, which has motivated him because he's very excited about this now. So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to take this car and make it a roadworthy, hopefully roadworthy road trip car, and I don't get stranded somewhere and call you to come get me out of God only knows where.
Yeah, it could be scary.
Grab the trailer and come get me out of the
somewhere in the middle of Georgia.
Yes. Yep. There's a lot of places I don't want to be stranded on this trip. So, as you saw in the previous episode, the gentleman and I, we walked around the car, we looked at the car, we were pretty happy about it. We have gone back and forth as far as what I'm going to pay for the car, and we came to a number that makes sense for both of us. So I have the trailer behind me. We are almost to his house now. We're going to load this thing up and then go pick up the spare motor that comes with this purchase and transmission, throw those back there, and then hightail it back to Columbus, and put this thing on a rack and take it apart and see what we've got. So, yeah, stay tuned. This is going to be fun. He was nice enough to move it down for us. There she is. She's not a beauty queen, but not bad. Got our 255 speed sitting in the back hatch back here. Yeah, buddy. Well, after some slightly sketchy loading and not so sketchy towing, and then definitely sketchy unloading, my AMC AMX Spirit is in the shop. Got the engine sitting here. This is our 304, which ran when pulled. We'll see how that works out. It is approximately 1 week since I picked this up, just 1 day short of that. So this guy has sat outside for a week while we had the time to be able to get it into the shop because we are busy. So, time for me to get this thing on the rack, in the air, underneath it, and inside of it, and see how much of a bad decision I made. I'm thinking I made a very bad decision. I'm biting off a lot, and probably not the smartest time of the year to be trying to build a car in almost no time. But hey, whatever, it might work. Anyways, that's where we're gonna wrap this one up. As I begin to dive into this car, we're gonna create its own series. So there will be now an AMC AMX playlist on our channel. And starting with the pre-purchase, post-purchase inspection, I'm gonna get this thing up in the air, go through it head to toe, see exactly what I've got going on, what's good, what's bad, what's ugly, what's terrifying. Take the interior out of it, get seats out of it, and all that fun stuff. Cut the floors out, then start the whole process of the engine and transmission swap and blah, 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 blah. So, if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned. There will be video coming of that very shortly. This car needs to be up and running very soon. We have set the dates for this 2500 road trip. It is going to be July the 23rd through the 28th. It is going to be to the Florida Keys and back via the Tail of the Dragon and Blood Mountain Road, which are two epic roads to drive on the east side of this country. Probably not so epic driving it in a late 70s car with no air conditioning that's black. Probably not that smart. Whatever. Anyway, that is what it is. So, as always, please comment if you'd like to. Let us know what you think about the AMC AMX. Are you an AMC person? Do you have any ideas what I should do with this AMX? I have some terrible ideas about what I should do with this AMX. First and foremost, getting it running. Then after that, some great ideas. Terrible ideas. Great ideas. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun jazz. We will see you on the next one. It's coming soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.